Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have a rather large haul for you today. It's a collective one. I'm gonna start with JoAnn because my husband took me there today. I did pretty good other than the magazines because you know those are expensive. So I got this one. It's called Stamp and Craft for All Occasions. And I liked that you got so many stamps. So let me pull them out so you can see them. You got a good assortment. So you got this one. It says, "Thank you so much. Thinking of you. Easter greetings. Just married. Happy birthday to you. Merry Christmas. Friends are like four-leaf clovers. Hard to find, but lucky to have." And then you get all these different stamps that coincide with the different greetings. So I thought that was really neat. And then the other set looks like this. Home Sweet Home. Home is where the heart is. Little Prince. Good luck. Little Princess. Happy Mother's Day. Best wishes. Life is a beautiful ride. Life is better with friends. Happy Mother's Day and happy Valentine's Day. So you get all those stamps. So I thought that was nice. And then on the inside, you get 16 different papers. So I'll flip through really quick. So you get a pretty good assortment of papers to choose from. So I like that. So I got that. And if you're interested, let's see. Let's say, where's the one? What does it say it at? It's called Stamp and Craft for All Occasions. I'm trying to see if there's a number. And I'm not finding it. That's all I'm seeing, guys. Yeah, that's all I see on it. Yeah. Okay, and then I picked up, I needed some more round pot dots, so I got that. And then I hear people rave about this white ink unicorn by Hero Arts, so I decided to pick that up. And then they had their watercolor brushes by Royal Langnickel. So they had this pack which has 10 pieces for $6.47, but I only paid $4.85 because I had a coupon. And I also got one of these individual ones in this size. What size is this one? A 0. And I got this one for $1.85 because they had this one clearanced out too. But I wanted to try those out. I heard these were good brushes, so I used them for watercoloring. And that's all I got at JoAnn. Then from Impression Obsession, I had to get this Tea Cocoa one by Anna White. It looks like that. So cute. So I can't wait to make some things with that. And then on the clearance rack, I found this little stamp. Sorry for the noise. That's how they wrapped it. It's a little carrot, and I thought it would be so cute with those bunnies that everybody bought, the sock bunnies. I thought that would be cute with that when I work with that bunny again. I think it was like $1 something, so it was a great deal. And then I went to Simon Says Stamp, and I placed an order with them because I got a freebie because it was my birthday month. So let me show you what I got from them. And I got their kit of the month because I thought it was stinking cute, and my mom loves frogs. So first, I got the glue tape refill for the vellum adhesive. So I got that so that I have one on hand when I run out of that vellum tape. I got some 3D foam squares. I love these. Got those. I got this 3D impress slits, and this one is called Medallion. And I got this because I thought these would be so cute on the front of rosettes. That's what I was thinking. Then I got the Ranger Distress Oxide, the new one called Prize Ribbon. I got this Impression Obsession Folk Art Frame, and this one's by Anna White too. And this is what it looks like cut out. And the cool thing about this one, if you want, the center comes out, and then the heart and the leaves come out too. So if you wanted to make those different colors, you can do that. But isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. And then I got this Waffle Flower Blanket Stitch Layers die. I thought it was pretty. And the top, the biggest one cuts like this. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I wanted some new like rectangle dies, so got that. Then I picked up this paper pad. If I can get it, it's unstuck. Okay, by Moda Scrap. I thought it had gingerbreads in it because I saw the cover and I didn't pay attention, but it has no gingerbreads. It just has these papers right up here. It's still cute, so I'm still gonna use it. But that's what you get. So if y'all are looking for the gingerbread, it does not have gingerbread in it. So, and this is an Italian maker. Okay, and then I got this paper pad by Doodlebug called Pumpkin Spice. This is so cute. Thought this would be perfect for fall. So cute. Cute, cute, cute. Got that. Then I got this little doodle pot. Isn't he cute? Little Gingy. And then I picked up, this is new to me, this brand, Kitchen Sink Stamps. So they had this one called Coffee and Friends, and they're multi-stamp stamp sets. And I thought this was so cute. So it says, I'm caffeinated, the perfect blend, you're safe, but first, coffee and friends, better latte, 1 cup at a time, coffee, then never, and take a life. And then you stamp it 4 times for each. And it tells you what order to stamp it in. And it gives you suggestions on the back. So I'm excited about trying this out. It came out in 2019. So love that. And then they had Gingies. So they had Gingerbread Family. And it's a multi-stamp. I cannot wait to play with this. I'm gonna do something and do it for Saturday Makes. So they have the dad, the mom, the little girl, and the little boy. And this came out last year in 2020. Cute. And so to go with those, I picked out some inks from Altenew. I picked out the Fall Harvest and the Coffee Break. I thought those would be perfect. If not, I'm sure I have inks that could work, but I thought these would be perfect for them. And then my freebie was this little Simon Says stamp called Oh Gnome. It says, happy birthday, Nomi. Oh Gnome, I missed your birthday. So cute. So thank you, Simon Says stamp. Oops, I almost did the wrong one. And then I got the kit. Oh, that was one other thing. I also got this embellishments box, Gingerbread Friends, little little Gigi sequins. Aren't they cute? Love them. Okay, now let me show you the kit. So it came, they gave you a bag again, which I love. Take it out. It was called Totally Unfroggettable. It's all about frogs. They give you a sucker, always. I always give that to my hubby. You get 2 envelopes, really pretty colors. You got some googly eyes. Oh, they have a stickly back, it says. Oh, that's cool. Here's a discount code if you're interested in it. YUM521. It's good to August 15th. You got these Trinity Stamps embellishments. They are so cute. There's little frog faces in here, right there. Flowers in different colors and sprinkles. So cute. Then you got an embossing folder, and it looks like it's 3D. But it looks like that. Very pretty. Then you got a stencil that looks like this. So you get the clouds, the pond, lily pads, and the flowers to go on the lily pad. Cute. You get adhesive foam strips in case you want to make a shaker, and they gave you a half a piece of acetate. Then you got some paper. You got 12 sheets. Who's it by? I forget. Photo Play. Look how cute. And they're single-sided. I love this one. I love them all. They're very cute. Look at the little lovebirds. Aw, cute. This paper is so fun. So that's what you get for the paper. Then you get, how many pieces of cardstock for? Yes. You get 1 white Nina, and then you get 3 colored cardstock. And then you get the stamp set. It's called Totally Unforgettable. Isn't that cute? You are totally awesome. Hope your birthday is your kiss. Hope your birthday is your kisses are unforgettable. Unforgettable. Hope your day is happy birthday. You are so riveting. You make me smile, and you're totally. And you get all these stamps. So cute. I'm gonna make my mom a card. She's gonna love it. And then they sent you an inspiration sheet. Okay, so that was the kit. That was everything I got from Sinus's stamp. Okay, and then I bought some stuff from a Destash. So let me show you what I got. So I got this Anna Griffin Mink kit. It's Holiday Mink Bundle by Anna Griffin. You get 2 toner pens, 8 7x6 glitter sheets, 4 colors to each, 20 6.25 by 7.25 foil sheets, 4 colors by 5 each, 4 6 by 8.5 toner sheets, and 136 toner die cut shapes, assorted instruction insert for toner pens. You get all that. Let me show you. So you get the pens. You get all these to use for the toner stuff. And here's your glitter sheets. And here's your foil sheets. That's awesome. I can't wait to use that. That'll be fun. I haven't really used my ink. and I want to play with it. Okay, so I got that. And I got some paper. Let me show you. Got this one. Who's it by? This is a Recollections. Isn't that pretty? It has gold foil, pink gold foil. And then I bought one of these. American Craft specialty paper. It's colored burlap. And it's pink. And I got it because I have this berry basket. And I thought it would be so cute to cut the burlap out and make a berry basket with it. I'm just wondering if it will die cut, because that would be so cute. So I'm gonna find out, and if it works, I will show you. Okay, and then she sent me some just free paper. It's really cute. She sent me two of the deer. And then she sent me this one, that one, and this one. Clippers. That was sweet of her. And then I got this Maggie Holmes paper pad. I think this was like her first. I don't know the name of it, but let me show you. It's single-sided. You got two of each. It's really pretty. But you know me, I love Maggie, so I might be biased. Pretty. And then she had the stickers that go with that. So I got those. Bunch of sentiments. Love that. And then I got these vellum papers. Aren't those pretty? That'll be so pretty. You get 100 sheets. So got that. And then she had the Maggie Holmes dies by We Are Memory Keepers. So I grabbed those, because I did not have that. They're all right here, what you get. And then I got the Explosion Box Scoreboard. I can't wait to play with this. I think it'll be so fun if I can figure it out. I'm not always so good with the boards, so we'll see. But they end up looking like that when you open the box. So that'll be fun. And the last thing I got was this eyelet punch, the crocodile for your eyelets. And it came with some eyelets, 4 different colors. But y'all saw recently that I bought all those eyelets, so I am good to go. So I wanted this handy because I do have the really big one, but I wanted a small one also. And I like that this has a case. So that is everything, guys. I thank you for watching. I hope you enter my giveaway. Okay, love you guys. Bye.